bar when you're doing deadlifts. I'm gonna demonstrate on the mass rod. Sorry, Austin. So you can do double overhand. This is how most people would when they're first trying. There's nothing wrong with this grip, except once you get pretty strong, you're going to be limited by your grip strength. So what a lot of people do is they switch over to mixed grip. See, the advantage of mixed grip is, say when you're doing double overhand, you'll feel it like rolling out of your hands almost, like rolling out of your fingers. When you do mixed grip, as it rolls out of one set of fingers, it rolls into the other. And so that's going to massively increase how much you can hold on to when you're deadlifting. Next, this is one that is even stronger than mixed grip, what a lot of people use, is called hook grip. So basically how you do hook grip is you take your thumb, and I have pretty small hands, so it's a little bit difficult for me. You hold it underneath your fingers, and you almost smash your thumb. You would do it double overhand like this, but I'm showing you like this. Hold on to your thumb and almost use your thumb as a hook to the weight of the bar is pushing your thumb into your fingers and basically locking your hand in place. So if you do that with both hands, you can lift a whole lot of weight. The one disadvantage of it is that for a lot of people, it's extremely painful, and so it maybe isn't best for doing lots and lots of reps. But for the most part, if you get really locked in and you have longer thumbs, you are not letting go of that bar for anything. Now, this is the final one. This one is not allowed in powerlifting competition, but if you're just a casual deadlifter, you can always use straps. Usually you want the logo facing almost like a watch face. Then you're going to take the strap, you're going to wrap it around the bar, and then you're just going to hook your hand around the strap like that. And then you are completely tied in. Those are your 4 grips for deadlift. Hope that was useful for you.